Hi.
He's already been.
He's. I have a boat at home.
Oh.
I have a fishing boat, like one of the speedboat. Yeah, but he's never been.
Oh.
He's never been, but I want to take him one day.
You like fishing?
Yeah, I love fishing.
In the sea?
Hey, be careful,
In the sea,
You're
yeah,
gonna drop
yeah.
your phone there.
I have a boat. I have a lot of fishing gear. You know.
I give you photo and cooking.
Puto.
Sa kanya. Breakfast
Nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. We had breakfast, but thank you. I already paid.
White cake. Ang
Yeah.
snorkel.
Okay.
Yeah. You wanna get his
Best?
your lotion?
Oh yeah. Oh, sige.
Yeah.
You paid for the snorkel too?
No, it's free. It comes free.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sige lang.
Oh, is that the one that they gave you? Yeah.
You will have to have this to go just out of the bay.
Yeah.
Just to.
Do we? Okay. And the baby, yeah?
Coast Guard.
You, there's the baby ones. Yeah. All right. We're gonna put on the life jacket.
They use my favorite.
Okay. The adventure.
Captain.
Good organization. She's coming outside.
Yeah. She's very good. Very well organized. All right. Oh yeah. Babe, will that work on us?
No, we have one.
Those are people coming back already. It's warm today, babe.
Yeah, it is. Watch out, babe. What's in your pocket?
Oh, this is rubbish.
Oh, that's so sweet. Look.
I forgot to take it off.
Perfect. There you go.
Let me get the kiss. Kiss the baby.
It's okay. Thank you.
Here you go, mate. You good?
Good.
Alright. So now, I want to introduce myself and my companion. So by the way, I'm Raymar. But you can call me Ray for short. So I'll be with you guys for the whole day. And I want you to meet our captain, Captain Efel, aka Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow, one of the big ones coming over. And then our crew, Brando. Alright, so we just live here on the boat. If you have any questions about the Nido, so don't be hesitate to call us, okay? Ray, Jack, and Brando. And welcome aboard. So welcome to our boat, Dos Hermanos number 5. Don't forget that because later in our destination there's a lot of boats, same color, same size, but different name.
So
What's it called?
Dos Hermanos number
Dos
5. Yes.
Hermanos number 5.
Yeah. Because we have a Dos Hermanos number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and ours number 5.
Number
Yeah.
5.
Because sometimes the experience of our guests are really confused which boat they are going.
Yeah.
Sometimes they went to our other boat. If that happened to you, if you went to our boat, I'm gonna say a goodbye or see you next year. Alright, so don't forget that. And welcome to Nido. So welcome to our place. It's small but amazing in paradise. So now let's talk about our tours. Our tour is combination tour, right?
Yeah.
A and C. So in the part of the tour A, we have 3 spots, the nice ones, called the Big Lagoon, the Circuit Lagoon, and the Shimizu Island for snorkeling. That one is the highlights of our tour to the tour A. And after that, we have the tour C, we have the Sticky Beach, and Hidden Beach, and then Star Beach. Star Beach for snorkeling, and then we go to the Palisades for having a lunch. But if you want more in the Matinlock Shrine, because shrine is in our itinerary, but ours are private ones. If you are willing to go there, then you need to pay for the entrance, 200 each. Okay?
Okay.
It's only optional, but if you don't want, so we can skip the one.
Okay.
Alright? So we have 3 destinations in the tour A and 4 destinations in the part of the tour. So totally we have 7 or 8 destinations because we have more activities. Okay?
Cool.
So we
So-
have the best spot of snorkeling
Yeah, yeah.
of Nido.
Yes. And then, so the first stop, so we're going to Big Lagoon because Big Lagoon is activity for a kayaking, but the kayak is not included in your packages, so you can rent the kayak in the lagoons. Alright? So there's a 2 types of kayak, the small one and bigger one, and then different prices.
They have
This-
crystal.
Yeah. This one, the current one is only 300 pesos. Okay? But if you want the bigger one, the normal ones in the Big Lagoon is 500 pesos. But that ones, if you get 3 and then 4, so I'm the one the driver. So
Okay.
I'm the one to pack for you. So I'll get a whole day to kayak for you. Okay? And then after that, so the next ones we're going to Sikit Lagoon. So today we have only one activity for kayaking. Okay? Only in the Big Lagoon. Then after that, the next one, Sikit Lagoon, is for photo, sightseeing, and picture taking. Okay? And after that, snorkeling. And then Secret Beach for photo. And then after that, snorkeling and before lunch. And after the lunch, so we have we proceed to our last destination in the Hidden Beach, or maybe if you want more, so if you have more time, so we can go to the Paradise Beach for our last destination. Alright? And then also reminders, your first time here? Okay, because El Nido is more in protected area, so we have some rules and regulations that you should follow. So the first one is golden rule, safety first. So all of you are good swimmer?
Yeah.
Okay, no?
She not.
She's not.
She's not going
Oh
in
my god, so those are non-swimmers, so good luck for you guys.
Good luck.
I'm just kidding. Okay, safety first. So wear your life jacket during snorkeling or swimming because our swimming snorkeling area is not shallow, so you should be like more than 12 meters to 15 meters, alright? And then second, so your personal belongings, your bag, your cell phone, so please do not leave the mission attended because
Okay.
damage or losing is not liable of our company. But if you want to leave your stuff on the boat, this will be our responsibilities because our captain and crew is in the boat to look at your bag at all times. Okay? So make your stuff safety. Okay? And then third, if you have a water bottle, plastic, so please do not throw it to the sea, do not
Yep.
leave it to the beach, just put it in the boat.
Okay.
Because after the tour, we will collect that and put that in the properly garbages. Okay?
Alright.
And then also, do not collect any marines from the islands. Like for example, the white sands, coral, shells, and rock. Don't bring to your hotel. Or your home, so it's not allowed as a souvenir. Okay?
Okay.
And then, before we go to the question, so guys, no restrictions for the foods. You eat everything. No allergies.
No.
No, all good. So we
You
eat.
guys? No allergies?
Yeah. for
Food allergies.
So all good. So I think
Just
some
jellyfish.
jellyfish. So that's all for now. So maybe later in our destinations, I will give you reminders, details, instructions. If you have any questions, so just call me if you need my help. Take photos. So just
worries.
call my name. I will be there. And hopefully we have a good weather and the sun comes out for the whole day. And enjoy your day and have a good day. So
Thank you.
for swimming and enjoy your day.
What about the block jellyfish?
Welcome to paradise. Oh, that shit burns. It burns my face.
That's it?
Where's your phone? Are you taking photo or video?
Ako kasi
not as good.
And this you cannot zoom.
No, you can't. No. Kiss. Hey, kiss. Never kiss. Ah.
She's not married.
Oh, tell it. She's still virgin? No. No. Oh, problem.
Not a good subject.
Not a good subject. Don't talk about it. He's dead later. You kill him.
We'll have to run the church to forgive your sins.
This one. Still a virgin. A virgin.
Her name is Marie. Mother of Jesus.
Yeah. We'll see you guys at Big Lagoon. That's our first stop. And I've got a bit of surprise. Almost there? That's the one, eh? Inside? So how are we gonna do this? Are we gonna rent a kayak?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna paddle us?
Yeah.
Okay. And when we're doing snorkeling,
Third stop.
yeah. Someone, she's gonna be inside anyway.
Yeah.
She doesn't wanna swim. I think she will lock up for the baby. Yeah, we're together with these snorkels. Yeah. How long you been doing this?
Almost 5 years.
5 years? Yeah?
5 years in the guys. And before I said this, full
Very good.
Yeah.
Your English is pretty good. It's good, it's good.
Yeah, it's all about the story.
Yeah, it's above average, you know? For someone who's never been in another country, for someone who's never been in another country, your English is good.
GoPro, and then we'll take a video of you in the water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna take out the video?
Yeah.
From the top?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good, that'll be
Yeah.
good, mate. Different shot. Because I'm always holding the GoPro, you know? It's always my view. But I never get someone else to.
Yeah.
What's the snorkeling area called?
Shimizu.
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 Oh, shit. Be careful. Shimizu.
Shimizu, yeah.
So we got Big Lagoon
Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon.
Secret Lagoon.
Yeah, and Shimizu.
and then Shimizu for
Yeah,
Tour A.
Tour A, yeah.
And then Tour C,
Secret Beach
Secret Beach,
and Hidden Beach
Hidden Beach,
and Talisay.
Talisay.
Beach, yes, for
Talisay.
having lunch. And Shrine.
and Matalok.
Yeah, nothing more.
That's the last stop.
Yeah.
Be careful, eh, babe?
Yeah.
But if we have more time, so we can spots, another one spots.
Okay.
And in the Paradise Beach. The Paradise Beach, that one is
Ako na. Okay.
part of the touring.
Yeah.
But one is nice for chilling for last stop because we have a mini bar or small bar.
Ah,
If you
okay.
want if you want some like drinks, cocktails.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have that.
Yeah. I think he's the only one who drinks.
Oh, you're not sure now.
Nah, I'm not a drinker. Alright, we'll go back to the seat, babe. Babe, we'll go back. Over here, look at these rocks. These limestone formations are amazing. Probably millions of years old. Wow. This truly is a paradise. Oh. There's already quite a lot of people. Oh. Quick. Babe, I don't think they have crystal kayak.
So, you know what to do?
Hi? Kayak. Kayaking. Wow, look at the water. Look how clear.
Put your life jacket.
Are you gonna put life jacket on him?
I will.
Alright.